What's going on, everybody? Welcome to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making the viral poor man's Oyster Rockefeller. Enjoy the video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get cooking. For this recipe, you will need smoked oysters, spinach, lemon, mozzarella and Parmesan cheese, heavy whipping cream, minced garlic, hot sauce, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. Begin by adding a tablespoon of olive oil to a hot skillet. Add about 2 cups of spinach. Sauté spinach for about 5 minutes. Next, add a tablespoon of minced garlic and combine. Add a half cup of heavy whipping cream. Season to taste with salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. Allow to simmer for 2 minutes. Add creamed spinach to a bowl. Add 2 cans of smoked oysters and a half cup of mozzarella and Parmesan cheese. Combine the ingredients. Add 1 tablespoon of hot sauce. Add the juice of a half a lemon. Add your oyster mix to a baking dish. Top with mozzarella cheese. Bake at 400 degrees for 10 minutes and then place under the broiler for 2 minutes. And there you have it. A poor man's Oyster Rockefeller. We hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell.
And remember to tell everybody you know, them MFers be cooking.